Sights and sounds of Spain. This is a tunnel underneath the gates to the city at Merida. And this picture shows the floor of one of the prominent houses in ancient times. They used tiny stones to make the designs. Now this shows a pool of water. It's like a pond underneath the gates to the city at Merida. This is another view of the same place. You can see how beautiful this pool of water is, and it's underground. And here we can see a stream. This stream is actually literally behind my friend's house, and I won't call it a stream, it's a river, and it's absolutely beautiful. The scenery around this place, the river,